आता खबरो विस्तारान मिनिस्टर रोहन खंवटे हांणी सुकूरच्या पंचायत सभागृहांत राज्यस्तरीय जॉब फेअर मेळाव्याचे उक्तावण केले। गोंयच्या तरणाट्यांक जॉबाची संधी उपलब्ध करून दिवपा खातीर राज्य सरकाराचे यत्न चालूच आसा। आनीक 3 जॉब फेअर मेळावे जातले म्हूण मंत्री उलयला। सुकूरच्या नाडेक्स गोवा खातीर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस।
Small at grassroots level we are tapping into it. The government is very serious in tackling the issue of unemployment and ताज्या खातीर जसो जॉब फेअर आज आमी घेतला which is going to receive a fantastic response. Within the next 2 months, 2.5 months, we have plans for 3 more job fairs. One in Sankeli, one is in Ponda, Tiskusgaon and one in Kurchore. So here dates will be from month end. मागीर परत मिड जून आणि जून एंड असे 15-20 दिसांनी एक दवरूंक लायिल्ले आसा। आयच्या जॉब फेअरांतल्यान वी विल गेट लॉट ऑफ इनपुट्स which we will improvise to ensure there is a better one. The next job fair will be taken by associating with the industry associations also, which will still give a wider outreach, more opportunities, and we are also tapping, as I said, the data not only while registration, conversion कसो जाता आणि ताज्या खातीर लेबर एंड कमिशनराक आनी एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज ऑफिसराक दोगांकूय सांगिल्लें आसा की आज सोंपतकर ह्या 4 दिसां भितर एम्प्लॉयरा कडल्यान डेटा घे की तुमचे इंटरव्यू कितले आले, कसले लोक आयिल्ले आनी अगेन्स्ट दॅट तुमी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज कितल्यो तयार करून दिल्यो। आयच्या हातून इवन इफ यू लुक एट अ 10% कन्वर्जन, आय थिंक इज सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी कन्वर्जन दॅट वी वील लुक एट क्रिएटिंग इट्स अ स्टार्ट। ह्या गव्हर्मेंटाचो ऑर्गनायज केल्लो पयलो जॉब फेअर, अ स्ट्रक्चर्ड वेल ऑर्गनायज्ड जॉब फेअर without causing any inconvenience to the youth who are coming with lot high expectations. Government job सगळ्यांक जायना, ताजेर काउन्सिलिंग करप, अवेरनेस करप आनी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज तयार करप आनी हांचेर प्रोग्राम जावप, हे सुद्दां आर सम ऑफ द थिंग्स which we are discussing with the industry. And in this 1 year there will be a lot of activity planned towards this. तातूंत not only for job fairs but throughout the year we'll have this. फुडल्या 2 जॉब फेअरा भितर the target is कि next 3 महीना भितर we have our own job portal in place. So as you look at naukri.com and everybody, whoever wants to apply, he can also keep himself as a vacant position. I am available in the labor and employment department. So as we launch this portal will work 2 ways. Vacancy जे आमी NOC आणि intimation मागता तो डेटा पूल तयार जातलो। Advertisement करता तो आमी वेबसायटीचेर आमच्या हाचेर पोर्टलांतल्यान वी विल से that these advertisements are available and people who are applying तो एक इंटरफेस तयार करपाचो प्रयत्न आमचो ऑलरेडी चालू केला आमी। सो एक 3 महिन्या भितर वी वॉन्ट टू इंटिग्रेट दिस where the youth has an opportunity not only of having an employment card but also very innovatively ensuring that he is also tapping the resources while applying with private industries where industries show their vacancy and the people who apply are also there. So like any other job portal.
Well, we just have another 30 minutes in here. They call it as 91 Spring Gold. The N2 Co-work network and